Hi, so this is the project directory. First of all, you need to install the Visual Studio Code in your system and Python as well. And then you run this, you will open this particular directory in Visual Studio Code. How to do this? Simply go to CMD and write code dot. If you have Visual Studio Code installed in your system, so it will directly open your Visual Studio Code. So this is the directory folder, vehicle scrapper project. And as I already scrapped the data, so this is my previous scrap data. I wanted to demonstrate how to scrap, so I will first remove this. And now we have two Python files. One is scrapper and second is app.py. Basically, this is for UI purpose, user interface. I am using this Streamlit and scrapper.py for scrapping and live tracking the data from the website. So how to run this? So because we are using Streamlit, so we will use Streamlit to run this app. But before proceeding, we need to make sure to install these libraries into your environment. So how to run this libraries? So simply you need to install pip install r requirement.txt automatically. So all these libraries to run this scrapper and app.py. Got it? So make sure to do this before run the application. Now I'm going to run app.py. So using this command, you will run the app.py. So it will show the window UI here. You can see this is a particular window. All right. And as you click on the smart run, so it will start scrapping and the live data will be showing on the dashboard as it is scrapping from the website. So you can see this is a pop-up window of the website, and it will scrap all the listings that are available on the website at the first time when you run the application. Got it? So here the dashboard is successfully created and you will see the data entries that scrapped, and it will show here. Got it? And also your vehicle live.csv file also generated, and the live data will also save at runtime, and you will see as it scrapping. Got it? So this is the mechanism. But you are scraping first time, so because you don't have a data, when it is done, it will scrap all the data, so you have the existing file, existing list. After that, when you run the second time this particular application, so it will not scrap, it will just act as a tracking system. Just compare the data from your CSV file to the website, it is exists on the website or not. Then according to that, it will update the status. Here we have a status column. It will update the status, either the data is exists on the website. If exists, so it will simply write not sold. If not exists, it will write sold. And if any new data exists on the website, so it will scrap and make the status newly added, like this. Got it? So in this way, it will first time the scrapper scrap the data, but the second time make sure it will run as a live tracking. Got it? When you run this Python script again for the second time. Got it? And here you will see the result, like total number of data scrap, and if any new data, when you run the second time this code, it will show the how many new data uh, added into the CSV file or your listing, and how many data sold, like how your previous data history, having old data so that are not currently exist on the website, so it means it will sold. So it will mark that uh, sold numbers. Got it? So you can see scrapping is right now is going on, and you will see the live data scrapping and all the necessary columns like price, air mileage, color, fuel type, transmission, engine size, status. And I also added a column that indicate the time when the scrapper run. Got it? Also the product URL, you can also verify that by simply clicking on the URL, and the product and listing IDs as well. Got it? On the basis of listing IDs, the comparison process is going on. Like this particular listing ID is available on the particular website or not. So on this particular field, the comparison mechanism is going on. Got it? So this is the procedure you will simply run in your environment, but make sure you need to install Python. As I have, let me show you. I have the Python version mm, 3.10.0. Got it? And make sure to install these libraries in your environment. How to do this? Simply uh, run this command pip install requirement.txt, because this file contains all the libraries, so just need to run this requirement.txt. Got it? And this is a scrapper.py. You don't need to run this, it is automatically called in app.py, so you just need to run app.py at any time. Like first time you run this, so it will scrap the data and create your CSV file, but the second time you run this, it just track, compare only, not scrap. Only scrap the new listing. If new listing exists on the website, just scrap those listing and update your CSV with the status. Got it? So hope you understand. If any assistance, feel free to let me know, or we will connect online meeting. So I will further demonstrate. Thank you. Take care.